Good morning, guys. Excuse my attire, I'm just kind of playing around in my closet here. So I'd like to talk to you really briefly about 3 essential things that I have for breakfast, no matter if it's a practice morning or the day of competition. I do the same thing, so it's consistent, my body knows what to expect, and I give my body what it needs. So hydration, number 1. This is simple, right? Just water. Sometimes if I know that I'm a little underhydrated from the night before, maybe I've had soda or coffee and I've lost some water during the night, I might add an electrolyte packet to this or have a Gatorade. But water is the simplest thing you can do for hydration. And it's quick and you can have it in the car all the way to the studio or on the way to the rink. Next, sugar. This is important because, and this is my favorite form of sugar, a banana, which also has potassium, so we get electrolytes from that, but that's important because sugar is important because it kickstarts your day and gives you that initial burst of energy. And you can kind of supplement your sugar intake during your practice as needed. Just carry some extra bananas with you. Okay guys, so the third thing I like to do is protein, and that's important for energy and also for maintaining, rebuilding muscle, because you're probably going to work pretty hard and break down muscle during the practice or performance. So I use vegetable protein because it's easy for me to digest, but you can use milk protein, whey products, whatever is convenient for you or easier for you to digest if you don't have any digestion problems. So I don't have time to make a shake in the morning or a smoothie, and so I buy these in bulk. I think they come in 12 packs that I buy on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below. So this is Evolve. It's 20 grams of plant-based protein and chocolate flavor. They come in different flavors, I think. So this just requires a quick shake to stir it up and mix it up. Open it up, and I can pretty much down this like in a shot, like if I'm in a hurry. Well, that's 3 gulps and it's over half gone. So again, very easy to digest, goes out quickly. You can add it in the car. So just like that, I have sugar, protein, and hydration. I'm ready to go. At the rink, you can also bring along a little packet of nuts for extra protein as you're working out. Bring along a banana if you need extra sugar, maybe Gatorade, definitely more water. So that's it, you guys. I hope you found it useful. For me, it works great because I don't have to wash any dishes, cups. I don't have to, it's all disposable stuff. I don't have to do preparation. It's just grab and go because really I don't have time to sit down. But I do have a drive of at least 10, maybe 20 minutes to my facility where I'm going. And so in that period of time, and as I'm out the door, I can easily consume this stuff. So I'll put a link, I think I mentioned that already, I'll put a link in the description below for this, and maybe a couple other things that you might be interested in. So, all right, I hope that was useful, and if you want to improve your performance, please be sure to smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.